Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect automatic cooker with digital timer wiring diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single phase energy meter, double pole MCB circuit breaker, digital timer, rotary isolator switch, 3-pin socket, cooker, phase connection input to energy meter, neutral connection input to energy meter, phase connection output from energy meter to double pole MCB, phase connection from double pole MCB to digital timer, phase connection from digital timer to connect rotary switch, phase connection from rotary isolator switch to socket board, phase connection from socket to connect cooker, neutral connection connect to double pole MCB, neutral connection from double pole MCB to digital timer, neutral connection from digital timer to connect rotary isolator switch, neutral connection from rotary isolator switch to connect socket neutral point, neutral connection from socket to connect cooker, earthing connection connect to socket earth point and cooker. Now it's ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.